Take me out on Monday, love me like it's Friday, dance until it's Sunday, then do it again. Mojitos on a Tuesday, hit the floor on Wednesday, dance until it's Sunday, then do it again. Come and follow me, I know that place to be, underneath the moonlight, right across the sea. Weekend every day, we dance the night away, and nobody can hold us, starting from today. Take me out on Monday, love me like it's Friday, dance until it's Sunday, then do it again. Mojitos on a Tuesday, hit the floor on Wednesday, dance until it's Sunday, then do it again. Do it
Let's learn Do It All Again. It's choreographed by Gary O'Reilly and Maggie Gallagher. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Do It All Again. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 2 walks forward, step right, step left. You're now going to quickly rock the ball of your right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and step forward with your right. You're going to rock forward with your left foot, recover back onto your right, and we're going to do a left coaster cross, stepping your left foot back, step your right next to your left, and then cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, you're doing your walk. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to step together with your left, taking weight onto your left foot, and then we're going to chasse to the right, stepping right side, left together, right side. You're going to cross rock your left over your right, recover back onto your right foot, and then we're going to do a quarter chasse, stepping your left foot to the left side, step your right next to your left, and then make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our coaster cross, stepping to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do right and left cross samba steps. So we're going to step our right foot slightly over our left. You're going to rock the ball of your left foot to the left side, slightly pushing your hip up, and recover onto your right. We're now going to slightly cross our left over our right. You're going to rock the ball of your right foot to the right side, slightly pushing that hip up, and recover onto your left foot. We're going to cross our right over our left. Step back with your left foot. We're going to step back with our right foot. And as we step back, we're going to sit our hip over our right leg and pop your left knee up. And then you're going to recover onto your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, doing your cross samba. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you're doing those cross sambas, make sure they slightly travel forward. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do a right rocking chair. So we're going to rock forward on our right foot, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right foot, recover forward on your left. You're now going to step forward with your right foot, putting your weight onto your right. You're going to do 2 quarter turning heel bounces. So we're going to bounce both heels up, making a quarter turn over our left shoulder to face 6 o'clock. You're going to lift both heels up, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder to face 3 o'clock with your weight on your right foot. You're now going to step forward onto your left and flick your right foot back. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, doing your rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you're doing those bounces, try and keep your body leaned towards the right as you're doing those turns, so that when you go forward, you're kind of allowing this motion to help your flick. And that is the end of the dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weights on your left, you're doing your walk. Walk, walk, side rock, step, rock, recover, coaster, cross, side together, chasse, cross, rock, recover, quarter chasse. Now your cross, samba, cross, back, back, sit, recover, rocking chair. Now your step, step, quarter bounce, and flick. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your walk. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the ending. Your final wall will be wall 10. You'll be dancing the 3 o'clock facing wall. When we come to the end, you'll be facing 6 o'clock with your flick. All we're going to do is cross our right over our left, and you're going to unwind a half turn over your left shoulder to face 12 o'clock to end the dance. That is all you have to worry about, doing a flick, cross, unwind, coming back to 12 o'clock. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our walk. Walk, walk, quick side rock, recover, step, rock, recover, coaster, cross, side together, chasse, cross, rock, recover, quarter, chasse. Now your cross, samba, cross, back, back, sit, recover, rocking chair. Now your step, step, quarter bounce, and flick. Now walk 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, side rock, step, rock, recover, coaster, cross, side together, chasse, cross, rock, quarter, chasse, cross, samba with the right and the left. Now your crossover back, sit back, recover, rocking chair. Now your step, step, quarter bounce, and flick, walk 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo, so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Do It All Again. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Take me out on Monday, love me like it's Friday, dance until it's Sunday, then do it again. Mojitos on a Tuesday.